Hey guys, this is Rachel Feldman, and I just want to welcome you. You are here at Animoto. So instead of just telling you today, here you have a free gift, which I wish somebody when I was first in my health coaching business told me about how to really get my message out there more than just in words. And as you see, we're in such a visual world these days. Pinterest, Instagram, creating videos. Look at pioneers such as, Chris Carr, Marie Forleo, Gabby Bernstein. And then look at health coaches like Sarah Jenks, who I adore, all making videos to carry the message. And the message often really needs to be in a video because people can conceptualize and feel that story so much faster than they can read words. So this is actually your free video that you're going to be getting today. It's what is a health coach? And I wanted to just show you how powerful words can be with a video. So the ways that you can use this is that, one, you want to make sure that you actually can upload this. And I'm going to just stop this for a second. You're going to be getting this in an MP4, so you can upload this to YouTube. Once you upload this to YouTube, you have the HTML that you can put onto WordPress, you can put onto your IN site. You can even sign up for your own Animoto, which is right here, and there are free options and allows you to tweet it, to have the link to share it, to embed it, so many different things. But this is a video that I created today with Shutterstock photos that you would, if you bought any of the detox programs or the 28-day, that you see these kind of quality photos. And again, you really just want to be able to take your message of what is working with a health coach. What is this really like for your potential clients so that this is screaming your message? So get out there today and not only blog, not only do newsletters, but have these amazing videos that you can use as tools to really tap into that story that your client needs to hear. All right, thanks so much. Again, you can find anything about what I do with health coaches, with clients at www.rachelswellness.com. And remember, videos, messages, blogging, YouTube is powerful. You want people to understand what you do. All right, I'll talk to you later. Have an amazing weekend.